Okay, so good morning, good day, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Yung isosolve po natin dito sa ating sample problem number 1, we'll be finding for the normal stress dito kay segment A to segment B, and then for segment B to segment C, and then for segment C all the way to segment D. So meron po tayong isa, dalawa, at tatlong segment na kailangan natin i-solve yung kanilang normal stress, kaya yung actual stress. So dito po sa required, as always, we need to indicate kung ano po yung sinosolve natin. Kaya dito, yung pinakauna is that yung designation po for the actual stress is simply sigma, di ba? Sigma A sub AB, and then sigma sub BC, and of course, sigma sub CD. Kasi tatlo po yung segment na kailangan natin i-solve dito corresponding to their actual stress. So, ano po ba yung catch dito? Okay? Since meron po tayo ditong a solid shaft having 3 segments, so meron tayo dito number 1, meron tayo number 2, and meron tayong number 3. By applying the method of sections, kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung internal forces niya. So, cut natin siya dito. Tapos, cut din natin siya somewhere here. And then, cut din natin siya somewhere at this portion for the third section. Okay? So, meron po tayong tatlo. Let's try to draw section 1 and then 1-1. Dito naman 2-2. And then, dito naman 3-3. So, unahin po natin dito kay 1-1. So, i-drawing po natin yung kanyang free body diagram. So, parang ganito yan, di ba? Kasi kinat natin siya sa isang section. Tapos, ito po yung area kung saan natin siya kinat. So, goes like this. Meron dito naka-apply na 4,000 pounds, di ba? Tapos, hindi po natin alam kung ano yung kanyang yung length kasi hindi naman natin in-specify na from this point all the way dito is, I don't know, 1 feet. Kaya let's leave it as x. Pero yung goal naman po kasi natin dito is to solve for the normal stress. So again, by applying the laws of statics, kailangan merong mag-counteract dito sa 4,000 pounds na nag-apply all the way papunta sa left. Diba? So dapat meron siyang force that is counteracting 4,000. So, let's try to indicate this one as P sub AB kasi nasa AB section po tayo. So, applying the laws of statics. So, dito po solution. The summation of forces, okay, sigma F sub X. Kasi nasa x-axis lang naman po tayo. So, positive po going this direction to the right is equals to 0. So let's sum all of the forces acting on the x-axis. So meron tayong negative 4,000 pounds plus P sub AB kasi it's going to the right. Yeah. Plus P sub AB. Then isolating this one kasi ito yung kailangan natin in order for us to solve for the internal force inside this segment. So transpose lang po natin yan. P sub AB is equals to, yan. So, negative siya, transpose mo sa kabila, naging positive. So, positive 4,000 pounds. So, ito po yung internal force na na-generate doon sa loob ng segment A, B. Yan. So, nasolve na po natin yan. So, ilagay natin siya dito. Ganyan. P sub AB is 4K. Sabihin natin 4K pounds. Alam naman po natin yung unit niya is in pounds, kaya i-leave it as 4K na lang. Tapos, let's try to solve for BC naman. I-solve natin siya kay BC. So, erase lang po natin yun. Ito. Carefully, para hindi natin madamay yung free body diagram natin. So, erasing this. Yan. Let's try to solve for segment BC naman. At remember, yung cut natin is somewhere dito kay segment BC. So, kung nandito na po yung cut natin sa gitna, kailangan natin i-consider din yung segment AB. Kasi dito yung start ng ating pagsosolve, di ba? Galing dito kay A, papunta kay B, and then papunta naman kay segment BC. So, let's draw the free body diagram. Pero let's try to remove na lang po ito para may space tayo. Yan. So, upon removing that, so let's go with the solution. Yung draw natin yung segment AB, ganyan. Tapos si segment BC naman, exaggerate ko na lang po yung kanyang free body diagram. Nandito po yung area kung saan siya kinat. Dito po A, dito naman kay B. Tapos dito naman section 2-2. Kuha po. So meron tayong 4,000 pounds acting this way dito kay AB. Yan. Meron tayong 4,000 pounds. And then, ano pa ba yung meron dito? 9,000 pounds. Dito naman. Yan. So, 9,000 pounds. Tapos, ano pa ba? Wala nang force, di ba? Nag-take into consideration na natin lahat ng mga forces na nandito. Left side on our segment A, B, and C. Kasi dito tayo nagsimula mag-solve eh. Again, let's try to apply the laws of equilibrium sa statics of rigid bodies natin. Kailangan meron tayong force that counteracts both 9,000 pounds and 4,000 pounds dito. So, kung imagine nyo lang, 4,000 pounds papunta din sa left, tapos si 9,000 naman going to the right, obviously, mas mataas yung 9,000 pounds na yan kaysa dito kay 4,000. So, naturally, we are going to assume that the force is going papunta doon. Diba? So, goes like this. So, let's assign this as P sub. Nasa BC na section na po tayo. P sub BC. And solution again, applying the laws of statics. Summation of forces along the x is positive. Going to the right, summation of forces x-axis equals to 0. And then is equals to, meron tayong 4,000 pounds dito going to the left. Kaya negative. Kasi yung assumption natin, positive daw papunta sa right. So, negative 4,000 pounds plus 9,000. Plus 9,000. Tapos, yung P sub BC natin is going to the left. So, negative. P sub BC. Yung kailangan natin i-isolate dito is this one. Kasi, kailangan natin malaman yung internal force that is acting dito kay segment B to C. So, let's transpose this one to the left side of the equation. So, P sub BC ngayon is equals to 9,000 pounds minus 4,000 pounds. Yan. Diba? So, let's try to solve what is P sub BC. So, erase ko lang po yung dito. I-transfer ko na lang yung P sub AB dito sa taas. So, P sub AB is equals to 4,000 pounds. Tapos dito naman, erase ko na lang ito. I'm just going to erase this one. Solving for P sub BC ngayon is P sub BC equals to 9,000 minus 4,000. That is simply 5,000 pounds. And don't forget po yung direction po ng ating force which is going papunta doon sa left. Ibig sabihin lang po niyan, it is compressing against the cross-sectional area of BC. So, gagawin natin siyang compression. Yung kanina dito kay P sub AB is papunta siya doon sa opposite direction of this 4,000 pounds. Kaya yung assumption sa kanya is tension. Tension po siya. Pero dito naman kay P sub BC is since papunta doon yung force, it's compressing against the cross-sectional area, kaya inassume natin siya na compression. Diba? Ito, naka-C po yan. So, nakuha na po natin to. P sub BC is 5,000 pounds compression. At yung pinakahuli naman is solving for CD. Segment CD. At let's do it dun sa pinakamadaling paraan. So, i-erase ko lang po ito. Just going to erase this portion of the whiteboard para mas kita. Yan. Dito naman tayo kay segment CD. So, nasolve na po natin yung internal force dito kay AB, which is 4,000 pounds in tension. Dito naman po kay segment BC, 5,000 pounds acting compression. Yung pinakahuli naman dito ay kay CD. So, draw po natin yung free body diagram ni segment CD, pero hinati na natin siya dito. Nag-sectioning na po tayo. So, ganito yan. Ayan. So, dito po yung hati niya. 7,000 pounds going at this direction. So, 7,000 pounds. So, naturally, we are going to find a way para mag-counteract dito kay 7,000. So, going, obviously, to the right. This is P sub CD. Diba? Yan. So, ngayon, apply again the laws of equilibrium. The summation of forces going to the right is positive. Sigma of F sub X is equals to 0. So, ngayon, 7,000 pounds is acting to the left. So, that is negative. Kasi yung assumption natin is going to the right is positive. So, negative 7,000 pounds plus P sub CD. Plus P sub CD. So, naturally, P sub CD is what? Transpose lang natin yung 7,000 papunta dito. So, P sub CD is equals to 7,000 pounds. Ano yung kanyang initial assumption? Compression. Kaya, compression. Yan. So, nasolve na po natin yung tatlong internal forces dito sa A, B, C, and D. I-list down lang po natin yung mga forces dito. Kaya wag po ninyong kalimutan. P sub CD is equals to 7,000 pounds compression. Erase ko lang po ito. Ganyan. So, erase lang po yan. Para mayroon tayo space. Yun. Ngayon, di ba yung sinasabi dun sa problem is that we need to solve for the normal stress. Di ba? Normal stress is simply sigma is equals to P over yung area. Tama po ba? So, ito po yung working formula na gagamitin natin. And, i-continue po natin yan after clearing up everything dito sa whiteboard para may space po tayo.